Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udokajane. I'm a Texas content creator based in Dallas, Texas. Guys, so today I decided to come to the best braider in Dallas, Texas. A real braider. I'm not the person making my hair this time around. I'm with a real braider, like professional braider, to make my hair for me today. So I want you guys to see how everything is going to turn out, because this is my first time trying her out, and let's see.
Hey, hi.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Tima,
What's the name of the braiding place?
Tima hair braiding.
Okay, this is Tima Hair Braiding, guys. You can contact her. I'm gonna leave her contact information on the screen if you want to braid your hair with her. Guys, she's good. Take my words.
Thank you. Okay, let's start.
So Tima started off by using the Shine and Jam braiding hair gel because it's going to help her grip my hair and make the hair look slick. So while this process goes on, I'm going to quickly talk about my business, guys. Some of you know this and some of you do not know. I recently launched a hair product business, and I haven't talked about it because I want to dedicate an entire video for this product or for my business. So if you're wondering why I haven't brought up my business to my channel, yeah, this is the reason why I haven't done that. I've been quite busy and I just don't want some point I was really tired, honestly speaking. So I wanted to know how long I have to still sit on that seat because I really wanted to get up. I was really tired. Guys, something unique about Tima braiding hair is that her braids are so painless. I'm not bluffing, I'm so honest, guys. I wasn't even feeling any pain on my roots. You know, the roots of the hair when they're braiding your hair, how painful it can get. I wasn't feeling that at all. Hers was so smooth, soft, tender. I only felt that someone was braiding my hair because I was conscious of her presence. I knew she was there. I could see her hands moving. Other than that, I wasn't feeling it on my roots. So that is a check for her.
You know what is really tiresome about making my hair is that my hair is so full, guys. I have a big skull, and in that skull, I have hairs everywhere. Like I have hair literally around, like every corners of my skull. I have hairs. So it's really tiresome. If you want to braid my hair, you have to exercise patience because you're going to keep braiding and braiding.
Throw them easy. Guys, she's a shop plug for Dallas braids. If you want to braid your hair in Dallas, come on. Call her number.
You all, I believe you know what this is. Hair mousse, mouse mousse. I don't know how to say this, but I believe you know what I'm talking about. So this helps to reduce frizz from the hair root and gives a soothing feelings to your scalp after braiding.
It smells so good.
Yeah, this is control, under control.
Okay.
Sorry. You feel it? It's gonna help you a little bit.
Okay, yeah, I can smell it.
Guys, so we decided to use one of my products. It's a hair growth oil for the roots. I don't want to talk about this product right now. Like I said initially, I'm going to give a more detailed description of my product. So bear in mind that this is one of the things you are going to see. this process, and believe me, this hair is beautiful. I still have this hair on, I'm still enjoying it. Previous vlog, you are going to recognize this look, you're going to recognize this dress, you're going to recognize this entire video because I filmed this on the day I was going for that wedding. So if you enjoy this content and if you are enjoying my content, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this content. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.